everybody doing today? Good, because your girl is back with another video. So today, you guys, first of all, how's all you guys doing? And I would like to say thank you to all the new subscribers. Oh, thank you. I feel so blessed, okay? And thank you for all of my look-ins. Yeah, thank you so much. I appreciate it. And thank you for all of my riders. I really appreciate you guys. So yeah, how's everybody been doing? That's good. So today, you guys, the video is gonna consist of tuna with elbows. Did I say that right? Y'all know how it's on, okay? So we got some tuna. Your choice is to use whether you want to use it in oil and that's olive oil, or water. So yes, I like to go with the Star Kiss because that's my favorite tuna. And yeah, we have some mustard because we're gonna put a little mustard in it for the twang, okay? And we have some elbows macaroni, okay? Now our ingredients is gonna be black pepper, you guys, onions, where it's minced onions, Lawry's, okay, seasoning salt, a little parsley, and we're gonna put a little of this garlic pepper seasoning. Now this was the first time I ran across this one, so I had to pick it up, you know, just to use a little bit, okay? And I also have some chopped bell peppers, onions. These are the things: chopped bell pepper, onions, and celery. Okay. Now I didn't use but a stalk of celery. You guys, excuse me. I didn't use but a stalk of celery and 2 onions. You know, green onions, that is. I'm gonna use this top for decorations. So yeah. We're not using mayonnaise or Miracle Whip. We're using sandwich bread. Because this is what I've been taught with. It has the relish and all the other goodness up in there. So yeah, this is what we're using. And so if you're ready for this video, we'll be right back. Because I have my eggs over here boiling. Okay, so we'll be back. So the first step is we're going to add our eggs, which our eggs is already in the pot, you guys. I don't know if you guys can see, but I have 4 eggs in that pot. So yes, that's the first step. Make sure your eggs are boiling. Second step is make sure you have a pot of hot water on, because you want to make sure that your water is prepared to be boiled. And I'm going to add just a little sprinkle of salt. Nothing major, just a sprinkle of salt. And we're going to bring these 2 items to a boil. And then we'll go to the next step. Okay, guys, let's check our water. It has come to a boil, you guys. So, yeah, let's add our noodles. We're going to add these noodles into this water, this light salted water. And we're going to let these cook approximately 10 minutes. Okay? Put a good stir on them to make sure they don't stick. Yes. And we're going to cover this back. We'll be back. Okay, so my noodles has reached this peak. Now how I can tell my noodles are done is I'm going to take a fork, okay, and I'm going to stick it and pierce it. There you go, it pierced. And it pierced. So we know these are done. So let me rinse these off in some cold water and we'll be back. Okay, guys, so I'm back. My macaroni has been rinsed off in cold water. So my next step is to add the bell peppers, the onions, and the celery over in here. So we're going to throw these over in here. And we're going to add some of our seasoning, such as the minced onions. I don't like all that little shaking. I'm going to add an extra little mint onions. We're going to add a little Larry seasoning salt. Larry's. Don't come at me in any comments, you guys. We're going to add a little black pepper. You know what? Like I say, let's get this over with. Okay, we got the black pepper in there. We're going to add a little mustard. Let's see what's going on with this. Excuse the knocking. But you know how it is when you get to your last. Okay? So, yeah. And we're going to add a couple of parsley flakes. Is this? Just a couple of them. Because I like the greenness that it shows off. Now, your girl is going to mix this a little bit up and get it all mixed in there. Because the next step is to add her eggs. Okay, so my next step is we're going to chop 2 of the eggs up, or maybe 2 1/2. And yeah, you're going to chop them on up. Now, do not try this at home if you're not used to it. I'm just so used to it. Yeah, I'm so used to it. Because this is one of my favorite dishes for birthday parties, get-together, fish fries, you name it. Sometime even on a holiday. 4th of July, It's just one of my old favorite go-to easy meals, And it's very enjoyable with you some saltine crackers, Ritz crackers. Hey, I don't have a preference of a cracker. Sometimes I eat it with no cracker. And I just love it. Okay. Get a little more egg because I need these for the top. But I need to get to that circle. Okay. So thanks everybody for riding with me. I appreciate it. I forgot to put, well, I'll put that personal. Now, I usually drain all oil except for 1 can. Because this average meal, I use 3 cans. 3 cans of the 5-ounce tunas. You guys. So 2 of these cans has been drained. Let's not worry about it. So yeah, we'll be right back. Okay, guys. So now we're gonna add some sandwich bread, you guys. Let's use this fork. Because your girl got to get in there and get it. I'm going to say approximately a good cup and a half to start off with of sandwich bread. But this much tuna. And I'm going to use this fork to get down in there. That jumped out the pool. No. So let me mix this on up and I'll be right back, guys. Okay, guys, so I done mixed it up. And so, yeah, your girl want to sample her tuna before she put her decoration on it. See? Let me get another bite of that. I love that crunch from the celery and the bell peppers and the onions. Oh, it just brings a treat to the tuna. Let's go back. Oh, you know what? I like to make it look all pretty. How to say all pretty. So we're going to put us an egg or two right here on top. Now if you haven't tried sandwich bread, give it a try. You just may enjoy sandwich bread. Yeah, I smashed that down. Okay. So, that tuna is really, really delicious. Hold on, you guys. Okay, so, yeah, let's chop us some. Well, you know, some of these tops from the onions. We're going to just put a few. Spread it around. Nothing major. Just for decoration purposes. Okay? And we're going to take the stalk and we're going to put it right there. Now, our next step is we're going to put a little seasoning. There we go. A little parsley. Now, you guys, if you viewing me for the first time, thumbs it straight up, subscribe to the channel, and come join your girl. You never know what I'm going to create. And yes, this is my famous tuna, star-kissed tuna that is, along with elbow macaroni. And you will enjoy this around any sort of divine cracker. And yeah, it's an easy go-to meal after preparing it. So yeah, you guys, come join the fam. Hit the subscribe button. Share this video with any and everyone. Let them know what your girl is doing on her channel. And yes, come support. Bye. Sending much love from my house to yours.